2020, we declared our status as a carbon neutral organisation. We also launched our environmental sustainability strategy that set out our aspirations to become a carbon offset organisation.
Everyone is going to have to play their part in helping restore our Earth.
Since I've started the RTN project, it's actually brought me back to life, and I'm starting to socialise and speak to people again, and I feel much more alive than I did before I started.
It was instrumental in getting me out of my isolated bubble, and which then opened me up to actually deal with all my problems.
It's benefited my recovery in the fact that I'm getting loads of fresh air. I'm working as part of a team. We're producing vegetables that we can eat, so there's that.
So many different personalities, so many different characters, and their characters and personalities brought myself back out again. And it was like I found me again. I'm here, I'm Louise, I matter, and I also want to give something on in future, give it back, because I can see people coming onto the project now at where I started. And it's such a great feeling, and I kind of inspire myself in a way, because I didn't think that I'd get from the beginning where I was to where I am today.
We can be healed through nature, together we can help heal nature.